We're going to talk a little bit about facial volumetric contouring. And so we are doing our Trifecta Lift, which includes the lower lid Blepharoplasty. We also want to revolumize. There are certain areas of volume loss. This is the zygomatic cutaneous ligament. It's a zygomatic hollow. This is the area of the zygoma. And this is the midface. She also has some hollowness over here at the temple, so we'll be filling this area with our own fat. Similarly, the nasolabial folds. And there is really nothing better than your own fat in terms of replacing volume. Not only it's autologous, which means it's from your own body, but it also has a lot of stem cells, which is key.